end of the day, the person who is making the drama is doing a business. ठीक है? So he is thinking of it as the business person. So जो views are, views देखिए views जो है ना, it's art. So you can't say this is good or that is bad and this is, it's just something you don't like. And the thing that earlier that we were talking about is the education within the field that is missing. That's a huge part. And education overall in the country. Because when we reduce our public to just providing them with a certain type of drama जो हमने I think 90s से शुरू किया है, वो अब तक अब वही पैदावार है ना जो आ रही है और वो ड्रामे देख रही है और वो कह रही है कि यही ड्रामा है. अभी there is also a lack of people who are studying in the field coming into the field. We have, as Haitham said, we have great DPs, we have not great art directors except for certain projects. We have a lack of good ADs, we have a lack of good associate ये जो होते हैं आपके line producers. And I'm not saying the ones who are in the field are not educated or not, लेकिन वो इस field में educated नहीं है, वो उन्होंने सीख लिया है काम. इस फील्ड में अगर हमने कहीं भी जाना है, and I think this is all over the world because commerce is a big part of it. So we are thinking the commerce side of it, but anywhere else abroad, the people who are working for the industry are all educated in their field. So everything works perfectly. Here things don't work perfectly. Yesterday I was shooting a शादी sequence and hall में आप जाते हैं और आपके extras होते हैं और and I had 3 ADs, I had line producers, I had everyone. I couldn't keep my background actors quiet. And मैंने कहा मुझे एक भोंपू ला दो, मुझे कुछ ला दो, मेरी आवाज़ बैठ जाएगी. Quiet! मैं कह रही हूँ उर्दू नहीं समझ आ रही है आप लोगों को, and you just can't. So that's not my job, that's not the director's job, but the director is reduced to that job. So I think education, views का जो है ना, देखिए good and bad, हम बैठ के कह तो सकते हैं कि बड़ा बुरा ड्रामा है, लेकिन आ रहे हैं views. The thing we have to try and find out कि क्यों आ रहे हैं वो views. So, हमारी industry, even though you're saying we're the third largest, yeah. So, but we haven't grown. So what happens is that you're fighting for time for everyone. But the question that you've raised, ये एक है और एक डर भी है. लेकिन I feel कि आप कर लो एक ड्रामे में, आपको उसी ड्रामे में पता चल जाएगा कि इसकी क्या वर्थ है. And if you're intelligent enough, you will use that person for that particular reason itself, if you want the views and all. But I don't think pressurize, I don't know. The thing is that you sort of, आप back seat ले लेते हो, आप कहते हो अच्छा ठीक है अगर आप करोगे. Actually director बेचारा है ही back seat. वो वहीं बैठा हुआ है, and he or she is absolutely क्या कहते हैं, I think Kashif Nisar is one director right now.
We can like हम उंगलियों पे गिन सकते हैं उनको. हाँ? उंगलियों पे.
हाँ जो Haitham all, but देखिए you do reach a certain level in your seniority and by giving very good plays that people start trusting you and feeling that ये अच्छा काम करेंगे. But majority of the directors and writers are taking dictation. A lot of them are. उनके हाथ में कुछ नहीं होता, especially the younger ones. अभी हमारे पास 5-6 एक नई खेप आई है of really good directors. Maybe their stories were not hits, but there was something so unique. Like there's a boy called Fajr. उसने बंस रोड की रोमियो and Juliet. अच्छा वो it's just shot so beautifully. The way he has shot Karachi, and also I think his way of storytelling was very interesting and very unique. Then there's a boy who has done Jaan Se Pyara Juni. Again, a very typical kind of a story, but a new. So we need to nurture these people. We need to nurture the good. I'm not saying that need to nurture the bad also, but the bad also needs to understand कि भाई देखिए जब ये बंदा इतना अच्छा काम कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता. So also the two things that you were saying, I think education is very important. You know, you have to be educated in, and you also have to love what you do. Only then will you start improve, because if an AD is just doing a job rather than loving what he does or she does, वो काम में आपको वो प्रेशर आपका डायरेक्टर लेता है और फिर डायरेक्टर काम सीधा नहीं करता. And the other thing I feel also is what we have been lacking in Pakistan is government involvement. The government has never taken any involvement in our, because we are out there. I mean, I think if you look at Korea, they've literally changed their